today we celebrate not only the opening of this factory, but also the spirit of innovation, resilience, and teamwork that defines the Amprius organization.
Now we are marching forward with 500 Wh/kg ultra-high energy density batteries that will be manufactured in this facility.
Together we have accomplished something remarkable, and today's ceremony is a testament to our collective achievements.
So today we celebrate Amprius Technologies' expansion in Fremont, which is a momentous occasion that brings tremendous growth and innovation to our city. This expansion also will not only service existing customers, but also supply, I understand, the backlog of customers who are eagerly waiting for this new cell qualification. So congratulations to Amprius Technologies, all your team, on this significant expansion, and your dedication and pursuit for excellence inspires all of us.